Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building the flavor foundation. Toast spices and char aromatics to release oils. This is crucial because aroma equals depth. Once done, add them to 8 cups of good vegetable stock, then stir in 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 tablespoon sugar to balance salt and sweetness. Let it come to a gentle simmer. You want small bubbles, not a boil, so flavors extract slowly. Make sure to skim foam early for a clear broth and check seasoning after 20 minutes. You now layer texture and umami. Soak 200 g rice noodles in hot water for 8 to 10 minutes so they remain tender but not mushy. Drain and set aside. Meanwhile, roast mushrooms and carrots at 200 degrees Celsius to concentrate flavor, and slice quick-cooking greens like bok choy and scallions so they finish in the hot broth. Once the broth has simmered and your vegetables are prepped, keep everything warm. This helps ingredients marry when assembled. You finish by assembling hot bowls. Place the noodles first, arrange roasted mushrooms, carrots, bok choy, and bean sprouts, then pour 300 to 350 ml of steaming broth over to wilt and warm everything. Taste and adjust. Add lime for brightness, slice chili for heat, and a drizzle of hoisin or sriracha for body. Make sure to garnish with fresh basil and cilantro for contrast. If the broth is thin, reduce it 10 to 15 minutes. Too salty, add water or gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.